Okay, it looks like I actually ended up at a dirt road, which is exactly what I wanted, because then you can already practice standing up a little bit and let the bike do the work for you. Look around, not too fast. Oh, I forgot to switch off ABS and traction control, so let me do that. This is the button for ABS. It's only ABS then off the rear wheels. ABS will be always on the front wheel. And then this is the traction control here. Can only go to 1, cannot go to 0. And that means that you will get more wheel spin, but that can in some cases be definitely a requirement. It is interesting because it's going to be a downward slope, but I have it in first gear, leaning back a little bit, letting the bike brake for me. This is pretty nice actually. Not too fast. Let's switch gears. It's a bit more difficult when you're standing up. It's highly unlikely that I will actually change another gear. It will probably all be done in 1 and 2. Because if you're in 3, yeah, you can make quite some speeds, but that's not advisable for someone who just started. And look, if I stand, these little bumps, they're fine. But if I sit, then you feel those bumps extra hard, because the bike also has to use the suspension for your body weight. And now it's only the bike, and my knee joint is my own suspension, so that works pretty well. We're really high up in the mountain, which is also pretty cool. This is actually going pretty well. But this is not, yeah, this is, I think this is, could be a fire road. I'm going to stop on that high point to switch off the GoPro.